Hello everyone, welcome to Magic Color Home Drawing channel. It's me Rose. Today we are drawing a beautiful and amazing rainbow dress drawing. This is a magical rainbow dress with so much shine on it. It is so easy to draw this dress. So come and try to draw with me. If you are enjoying the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel for more amazing videos. Let's enjoy together. Happy drawing! Are you enjoying to draw this beautiful frog? This is a princess frog. Welcome to Magic Color Home Drawing channel. It's me Rose. Today we are drawing a beautiful chicken family. I'm drawing a beautiful hen with its baby chick. Let's draw together. This is a magical drawing video with the blinking eyes and a cute little chick. So come and try to draw with me. Look at the moving and blinking eyes of the hen. This is truly an amazing drawing video. Now you can draw a chicken drawing so easily by following this easy step-by-step tutorial. I'll make drawing fun and interesting for you. Now I'm making her eggs. This hen is looking so cute and so real. Look how easily we are drawing a beautiful hen. If you are enjoying the video, please like this video and subscribe the channel for more amazing videos. This is truly an amazing drawing video. I hope you will enjoy the video so much. I'm making her feathers. Oh wow, this hen is looking so amazing and magical. Now I'm making her cute little chick. This is a baby chick with the mother hen. Look at the eyes of the baby chick. This is truly an amazing child of the hen.
Lost my partner, what'll I
Now
do?
I'm coloring the eggs.
What'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, skip to my loo.
If you follow this drawing tutorial, I'll make drawings easy and interesting for you.
Love is true, found my partner, love is true. Found
This hen is truly looking magical. I like this drawing so much. Do you like to draw cute animals?
skip to my loo.
I like to draw cute animals so much. I'm coloring the baby chick with red color. Let's draw together. And welcome to Magic Color Home Drawing channel. It's me, Rose. Today I'm drawing a beautiful turtle drawing. This is a cute baby tortoise with magical features and blinking eyes. It is so easy to draw this baby turtle. So come and try to draw with me. Let's draw together. You will enjoy the video. Look how blinking and moving eyes this turtle has. I'm making its legs. Papa? Magic Color Home Drawing channel. It's me, Rose. Today we are drawing a beautiful and glittery rainbow heart. It is so easy to draw this glitter heart. So come and try to draw with me. I am making a heart puzzle. Let's draw together. I hope you will enjoy the video. Look, it is so easy to draw this rainbow heart puzzle. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Red color. Subscribe the channel for more amazing drawing videos. Look, this is the shiny and colorful heart.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo.
Look at the blinking eyes of the heart. This is truly a magical heart drawing. Now I'm coloring the heart with yellow color. This is orange color.
Little red wagon.
Look at the spark and shine of this heart. This is blue color. Magic Colorful Drawing channel. Today we are making a beautiful crack drawing. Let's draw it with me. Look at the beautiful eyes of the crack. It is looking so lively. It is so fun and easy to draw this drawing. Let's draw.